Hello. Welcome to another vlog. I just finished filming a video, a no makeup tutorial. Doesn't it look good? Go and watch it. I'll link it in the description. Well, guys, my birthday is next week. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I don't have much thing to do. Like I don't have much things to do, but I want to do my nails. The last time you all saw my nails, they were pink. I want to redo them and I want to do them white. I'm not going to show you all the process. I'm just going to show you the before and the after. So this is the before. They're already so miserable. They look haggard. It has been a month. I want to use white this time, so watch out for the after. It's not that pretty. Like it's pretty, but it's not that clean. I'm not a professional, but I feel like if I take my bath, the edges will be clean out. It's my birthday. I'm so happy. Like, more life is underrated. I wonder how people don't celebrate their birthdays. Like, before this day will come again, it's next year. It's like in the next 365 years. So I'm so excited. So it's currently 12:30 p.m. This afternoon, I want to go on an ice cream date with my mom because who better to celebrate your birthday with than your mother? Most people don't realize that, but today I'm going to be taking her out. We're going to go out. The weather is really, really hot. Like the sun will roast my skin if I enter. So I'm planning on wearing something that is like will not give me heat, will not make me sweat. So I'm going to be wearing this velvet bodysuit. It just has thin straps and it's backless. Like it has ropes at the back with a jean. Yeah. Then wait. I bought this hair for Instagram online vendor. I don't know who sent me. This was supposed to be a human hair. I'm not even going to say the price that I bought it, but this is what it looks like. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. Like, but I spent money on it. Like when I run my hands through, like I get strands of hair on my finger, like. But I spent my money on this, so I'm going to wear it. I'm going to apply like a leave-in conditioner, like maybe comb it or brush it or something, because the girl said I could brush it. I messaged her like, this hair feels rubber, it feels synthetic. She says it's not, that it's a human hair. She cannot sell a blend of synthetic for me for that price. I asked her, can I use hot comb to like lay this closure, because if I put heat on this hair, it will catch fire. She said I can use hot comb. So I'm going to just apply leave-in conditioner. I'm going to change into my dress. Then I guess I'll see you people over there, like when we get to the place that we're going, that we're going to be spending the afternoon. Yeah, my wig. Bye. Okay, so one more thing. After this my afternoon ice cream date, in the evening I have a dinner date, and this is what I plan to wear. It's just this white bodycon dress, like it's really short. Yeah, it's really short and it's just thin strap. Again, the weather is so hot, so I'm even going to be going for everything thing. It's from Boohoo, and I think you guys are also going to see this when I get to the place I'm having my dinner. Yeah, so that's everything. I'm excited. I'm so excited and I'm so happy. Like, I love life. what I look like. Wow, this place is actually beautiful. I love it. Alright, so I made it here. It's pretty here. I'm waiting for my food, so I just thought I should do a video.
The next day.
Yo, it's the next day after my birthday. Today is May 10. I'm so happy. I don't know, I wish more had happened for my birthday, but for the little that happened, I'm very, very happy, and I feel blessed, and I feel very grateful for being alive, like, to see today. So till another 365 days. Next on my list is losing my hair. Yo, this hair, and it's itching me. I'm going to put the treatment that I did. I'm going to lose it, soak the hair in the treatment for the lice and dandruff, cover it and let it stay for a bit before washing it out. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when the hair is done. Hi. So this is like my hair after I have washed it and after it has dried, and like I put the lice treatment in the hair, covered it with shower cap, slept, woke up and washed it, and it has dried. I don't know if they are still there. The only way to tell is if someone actually cuts like my hair in sections to look at the scalp, if they can see anything. Anyways, today I'm going to make my hair. Time is like almost 4 p.m. now. The lady that makes my hair, she was busy. She had like a client, so that is why I had to wait till this time. But she just called me that she's done, so I'm on my way to go and make my hair. I'm going to put the style that I want to make here, but in black, not that color, there's no brown, black. Yeah, so let's just go together, all of us. My hair is going to use this bag that I got when I got this weird wig. So this is what she says I need to make the hair, this kinky. And she said 2 packs would be enough, so I got 2 packs. And edge control, of course. Hash, because like the place I'm going to make my hair is just like a walkable distance from my house, but I feel like I want to buy all those like shams. I don't like the gossip that takes place in the hair. When you gave me something I don't believe you, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was end, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. So this is what the hair looks like. When they were done making it, the thing was just like, it was bent, feathering out. I was like, why is it like this? What will soften it? And they were like, it's going to soften on its own. But now it's actually looking good. It's actually looking better. Yeah. Yo, my phone storage is full. I use my phone to film videos, and I want to clear out my phone storage. I have so many unedited works in my phone, and my house is quite comfortable for me. So every time I stay at home, I'll be like, I'll edit. I just end up sleeping or doing something else. So tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm going to go to a fast food, a sit down joint, and just like sit down with my laptop, my phone, and just like edit, if not all, but majority or half of the videos that I have unfinished there, so that I can be able to clear out my phone. I'm also going to like go through my phone and clear out, delete, like just create space in my phone tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so it's like the perfect time. Anyways, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to believe I do with the world I'm seeing her. We are nobody who Jehovah. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all they move to Shita. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was not Shita. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to know what I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
I don't know if people can hear me, but yeah, I'm here. Today is a Wednesday morning. It's 9 a.m. All the children has gone to school. Then the serious people has gone to work. Then me, I'm here trying to edit videos, and I like it because there's nobody here, so I'm not shy. I'm almost done with my coffee. Seriously, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I know this place is energy. I ordered some like snacks that I'll eat this morning, but they are not yet here, so I'm just going to do some work before they come.
At last, till my body's so crazy.
I have like content ideas that I've written down in paper. Like I'm just trying to share them into dates. Then I'm just trying to plan. When I'm done planning, I'll start editing. Yeah. My food is here. Who doesn't like Coke? shy. I just waited till I leave people at my back left before I did this outro. I was able to edit 2 videos, including this vlog. This is like the last part of the vlog, and I'm just going to add it. I was also able to clear out my phone, like delete some stuff. Like I saw stuff that I don't understand. Anyways, now my phone has space for me to keep filming. When I get home, I'll try and edit the rest, but being able to edit 2 videos and clear out my phone is like a big win for me. I've been here since 9:30, it's 2:30 now. That's about how many hours? 5 hours. 5 hours here. And it was worth it. So if I get home, I think I'll just like create the thumbnail for those 2 videos that I've edited. Then yeah, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I think this vlog was better than the last one. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I want to continue doing vlogs.